Hi, I'm Captain Salsa. I'll be dancing over 30 years. I'll be teaching over 28, and I will give you the great exercise with Captain Salsa method. This is my method for be more precise, for be much better a dancer. And the questions: can you dance on the bent knee? Quick and short answer: no, because it's unnatural. This is crazy if you will stuck on the bent knee and you during this dance you won't create volume. You won't create feeling. It's impossible, because if you have progressive movement, you can't move. Of course you can, but you are a dancer, you are not a robot. You have to feel, you have to be up and down, you have to feel the wave of the song, wave and energy of the rhythm. I will show you the awesome, the best way for train stability and coordination of your body. Okay, let's start. Just take an exercise band. I will use the bent knee method. Means like that, like that. See the bent knee, a bit. Look, the salsa. I'm man. I'm 50 years old, and I will dance on the bent knee. This is the salsa, basic step. Now I will use the normal way. Means my legs will be active and works like that. Look, click, tiram pam, kurum tum, dari ra 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 ra, dari ra 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 ra, dari kugum, dari kugum, I feel much better. I feel expression, yeah, and energy. Bachata. Cha. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I use the natural movement, like on the street. I use my legs, I use my knee, I transfer the body. And I control my body like that. Knee, then heel position, transfer the weight, knee, legs, knee, heel, straight, transfer, and faster. Hop, click, look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2. Doesn't matter. This is exercise. We need only the tempo. We need only create the tempo. This is important. And we have to save control movement for a dance. We have to think about the transfer body plus your knee. Your knee. This is important. And faster, 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 faster. Now, do you think so that my body is on the bent knee? No, this is just faster movement. Next exercise, just side and side. Look, first knee, I am on my right leg, and straight to your heel. Then first knee and close. One more time. Knee, legs, heel. Feel good. You can touch the floor, you can hit the floor, and and hop and faster and hop and change. Transfer the weight, transfer the weight, transfer the weight, transfer the weight and change the legs. Knee, feel the position, feel the floor, yeah, and heel, straight the leg, knee and close, change, weight and hop, easy. Now progressive movement, step, transfer, knee, close, transfer, step, transfer, knee, always first, knee, knee, hop, knee, hop, hop, hop. I will show you the side. But do not forget, transfer the weight from legs to leg. This is not the red, this is not the feeling, just exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. More active. Tum paku tum tuku tuku paku tum tuk tum paku tum tuku tuku paku tum tuku. Now on the bent knee. Tum paku tum tuku tuku paku tum. You see the difference? Tuku paku, my gosh. It's completely different. It is not natural, and you don't dance like that. See you next time. Bye bye.